Hello, happy Mask Monday. It's Mary under here. I'm getting my mask on and I have some friend mail. And I will show you what mask I'm using. Let me find my roller here. I have several different rollers and we'll get this rolling. How are y'all doing? Are y'all doing something to take care of yourself today? It is Memorial Day. No, it isn't. It's Labor Day, Mary. Hello. It's Labor Day. It is Monday, Labor Day. Whew, so are you all? I know people have to work, and I thank you if you are a person that has to work. I have been a person that has had to work on holidays before, and I'm very blessed to be off. And I thank everybody that does work on a holiday. Thank you for doing that. This doesn't look like it's gonna stay that spot very well. So let me show you what I've put on. Got my towel right here. I've got this nice roller. I got this from Glossy Box from the sales. This is a nice one. It's like a $20 one, and or maybe even more. And it was in one of the $7 boxes. So, okay, let's see. I have this mask on. This is from Vera Clara, and this is called Black Caviar, and I spilled some coffee on it, y'all. So it says Real Moist Mask. Moisture, nutrition, skin elasticity. This was a set. I believe there were 2 or 3 of each mask, and I think there were 3 of each mask, and there were 4 different styles. And they just had a cute little girl on them. And I believe I got these on Amazon, possibly Prime Day last year, in like the Thanksgiving Prime Day, I think maybe. I don't remember, but they've been nice masks. And I think this might be my last one. But there were different ones, and I gave some away at first and all. And this, just the Black Caviar, I just thought would be something nice to use today. And it's all in Chinese, or, well, Japanese. Let's see, no, Korean, I'm sorry, Korean. It's all in Korean on the back. Cosmetic. All right, I'm looking for anything. Okay, here, there's some English. Refresh your skin by cleansing or clarifying lotion. Open the pouch, blah, blah, blah. Relax and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. And then gently massage with your fingers to enhance the absorption of the remaining residue into the skin. Okay, I was looking for maybe some information about the Black Caviar. Okay, Black Caviar helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, retaining moisture to the skin, creating a plumping effect. When the skin is protected and hydrated, increased skin cell production can take place, as the skin isn't busy fighting for hydration. Black Caviar Real Moist Mask provides moisture to your skin, leaving your skin hydrated, soft, and glowing without stickiness. So that's good. I don't like a mask to be sticky, and sometimes they are. Sometimes they're sticky. So I got some unexpected mail. I have mail, and every bit of it's unexpected. I have a couple of cards. They're both yellow envelopes. Isn't that pretty? And then I got this box, and I didn't know what it was, so I did open it, but and I did sort of. I saw, but I'll show you, because you can't help it if you open something and you don't know what's coming. So let's see what I got. All right, Camille, if you're going to be up here, you have to behave. I got a card from Miss Josette Tharp. She's a lovely subscriber. And now, I don't know, sometimes she writes me personal things, so I'm opening it up. Oh, that's beautiful. Thinking of you. That is beautiful, Josette. Thank you. Gorgeous bouquet of flowers. Now, if she says anything too personal, okay, she didn't this time. This is just a little note to brighten up your day. Thank you, Josette. You're so sweet. Y'all are so good and sweet to me. It says, congrats, Mary, on hitting 2,000. Thank you. You make my days happier when I watch or listen to you. Love, Josette. Thank you, Josette. You don't know what you do for me too. I mean, just talking with y'all, listening to y'all is so good for my soul, and I want to tell you that. And Josette, I feel that way about you and all my subscribers. I really do. Y'all are just so good to me, and I just love talking to y'all. And then I got a card from Kim, from Hanging Out with Kim. And there is a beautiful rose. It did get a little messed up in the mail. A beautiful rose sticker. And I just love the yellow. Oh, and there's a pretty daisy on the back. And, you know, I cut them open. And this, oh, it says congrats. Isn't that cute with a kitty cat? I love that. It says, Mary, so very happy for you. Congratulations on hitting 2K. Woot woot. Now on to 3K, 4K, 5K, 10K, and beyond. I love you, my dear friend. Love, Kim. Well, thank you, Kim. Thank you, Kim. You know, I know that I'm, you know, I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy to grow. I want to grow. I just don't, you know, I don't know that I'm going to be so famous or something. No, I doubt it. I doubt that, but that's okay. I like where I'm at. I like being able to talk to everybody. So this feels good. I will tell you this about these masks. I don't remember how much they cost, but I'm sure if I got them, I'm thinking I got them at a Prime Day situation where they were on sale. You know, they just had a Prime Day like 2 days in July. Was it in July? And then they have it Black Friday, and maybe, or maybe not Black Friday, maybe it's Cyber Monday, or maybe it's the whole weekend. I don't remember, but you can get some good deals. Not on everything, but you know, if you have particular things that you want but don't need and you don't mind holding off till November to buy them, put them in your cart and see if maybe they'll go on sale. If they're just like, you know, a want and not a need. Then I got a package from Amazon, and I didn't know what it was because I do get things sometimes from Amazon. So I opened it up, and when I opened it up, this is what I saw. Something that would make anybody very, very happy. Look at that, y'all. Some delicious Pepperidge Farm. Who doesn't love Milano cookies? And these are raspberry with chocolate. You know, Milano cookies are these very nice, thin, very rich, delicious butter cookies that have chocolate in the middle. And then a few years back, they started coming out with different flavors. They have mint. I've had orange. I'm trying to think what else I've had. I know I've had a few of them. I don't know that I've ever had raspberry, but this is yummy. I get to have that all to myself, all to myself. And there are little slips in here that say what they're about. So it just tells you, like, you know, there's a little thing you can scan. It's like the order number or something. And then this says, a gift for you. Some yummies for you with your tea, Miss Mary. And, oh, I'm not sure what that means. I don't know if she meant to say that. From, I don't know what that means. I'll have to ask you, Janet. This is from Just Janet. So I have a couple of subscribers with the name Janet, but this one is Just Janet. And Just Janet is a fabulous subscriber, and she comments all the time, and she's very good to a lot of us on YouTube. So thank you, Janet. Janet, you didn't have to do that, but I'm so happy to get it for this holiday weekend because I will be enjoying it. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. You just, kindness. Y'all are so kind. So yummy, yummy. Thank you so much. You guys overwhelm me. You really do. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you, Josette. Thank you, Kim. And thank you, Janet. And Camille is right here. You know, I love this cat, but why do I always get the cats that don't want to be held? Here comes Blue. You gonna come over, Blue? I was gonna end, but if Blue's coming over, I'll let him say, hey, come on. He's afraid to come over because she's here. She doesn't like me to, like, all right, I'm petting her right now. It's only because she's distracted by him. Now, there he goes. Blue. Anyway, but she's, she just, well, here, show everybody how big you are. Look how big she is. Some of y'all have said to me she's as big as a full-size cat. I need to weigh her. She's only 5 months. Okay, lovey, hang on. She's only 5 months old. Maybe, you know, a couple weeks here and there. I'd have to think about what the date is. I think we put in the computer like April 8th, according to what the gentleman that I got her from told me. So yeah, so she is 5 months. May, June, July, August, September. I can't believe it because she's been with me since the end of May, Memorial Day weekend. And I feel like she's been here forever, and she just is mean as a snake. And she runs the household. She absolutely does, y'all. And she is a big girl. I knew when I got her, I knew when I saw her, she's got these big giant ears like my boys. I knew that she was going to be just like them. I knew she was going to be a ragdoll style cat. You know, ragdolls are expensive cats. I didn't buy my cats, not one of them. I rescue them. They're rescue cats. You're going to try to come on back up. Now look at Blue. Now look at Blue. Blue is a seal point. And see, look at how dark his back is. A lot of times he's this color with just a little bit of that chocolate on his back, but usually they get darker when they get cold. So it's been very, very hot here, but maybe that means the air conditioning's been too cold for him. I don't know. But he is, he changes colors. So, okay, you can sit down. He's sitting on the towel. So that is my cats for today. And y'all, I better let you go because I know you have a lot of things to do. It's a holiday and a lot of Mass Monday people to go see. And I'll tag the Mass Monday tags below if you have never seen Mass Monday before and you want to check it out. Do something to take care of yourself today. Like I said, I know some of you have to work, but if you're off and you are at home, take care of yourself a little bit. I know you're probably taking care of your family, but go ahead and do that and take care of yourself too. Let everybody cater to you a little bit maybe today. Okay, y'all, take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.